So we figured out the reason why the east side doesn't get too full with pollutant, and mainly it's because this puddle is created and all the water goes around, whereas what happens here, the water doesn't go around, goes in. It looks like this is the overflow. Looks like a lot of pollutants are flowing off on this side, because again, overflow pit is blocked. So I guess our initial assumptions were correct, both correct and incorrect. Water comes through the inlet. It gets redirected both ways, around, left and right. Looks like it scours quite a bit of this soil here. We're at the bottom end of a big, well, relatively big rainfall event. And look at it going away, all in here. In the overflow is blocked. I guess we could get a stick again and undo the overflow blockage, or one could use one's hand. Let's see what happens here once the overflow is cleared. You can see all this water rushing in until it will block again. Wow, it worked really well so far. And now the level has dropped significantly straight up. But yeah, this is what happens with this rain garden. And I believe those leaves there are brought in from this other rain garden here, and it looks like there has been some bypass on this side as well, and has moved into that spot there. That's what this suggests to me. As you can see, there's leaves all over here, and there's leaves there as well. So it looks like both these rain gardens work very poorly. Look at that.